Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 12x and negative 12x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by 4. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 3. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 13y, and the right sides combine to negative 13. Divide both sides by 13. That leaves y equals negative 1. Use y equals negative 1 in the first original equation. Replace y with negative 1. The remaining x term equals negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. X equals 1. The solution is x equals 1 and y equals negative 1. It makes both original equations true.